Hello, here I am with my lifestyle and leisure vlog, and before we start, can you please click subscribe and click like, because it really helps my channel. Thank you. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, which is something new for me, and it's for a company called Clear Crystal. They deal with Swarovski crystal jewellery, and I ordered from them one of their Christmas boxes, and I also ordered from them one of their boxes of crackers, which I used on Christmas Day, and I was very pleased with all the things that I had inside. I had a necklace, and there was a hat and a snapper and a joke in there. For 2 crackers it cost me £11.99. I was very pleased with them, so I said that I would do an unboxing today. They've sent me at one of their Christmas boxes. It cost me £13.99, so let's see what happens. Okay, right, here we go, and I haven't opened it since I received it. So here is my box. Right, let's take the invoice out. Now inside there is some gorgeous Lindt chocolates which you get with your box, and here is the box. It's kind of ready to give as a gift, although selfishly I bought this one for myself. This is my Christmas treat to myself. We have a box to put the jewellery in. Some lovely little jewellery sacks here, little mini sacks. So in here I have got, oh, some little pearl earrings. Very nice earrings, little studs. Let's take them out and have a little look at those. Okay, there we go. There we are. You see them there? Some very pretty little pearl earrings there. And here I have some more jewellery. Oh, wonderful. Okay, so in this little bag here, you can see what we've got. Oh, lovely. There we go. This little bracelet here. There we go. Very pretty. I'll just do it up here. I haven't got my glasses on, so I can't see so well. Right, let's have a little look. Let's put that in here. There we go. Beautiful little bracelet there. And in here, some more earrings. Very lovely. I do like my jewellery. And we have another set of earrings with the backs here, and some beautiful little tiny crystal studs, little stud earrings there. Okay, put the backs on those so I don't lose them. In there, and one here. Okay, and here we've got another piece of jewellery. Here we are. And this is a necklace to go with the bracelet. Same style. It's very pretty, very delicate, very pretty. Oh, this side. There you go. Shows you the little crystals on it. Okay, and in here I have got another little bag with some more jewellery in it. Oh, lovely. Another beautiful necklace with a crystal. Can you see that? Very beautiful. Well, they're lovely. Very pleased with all of those things here. If you want to give it as a gift, they give it to you with a box that you can put together, and also with some wrapping paper, some lovely tissue paper that you can wrap everything up in. And you also get a little tag that you can put on it as well, if it's a gift for somebody. And also they have given me a complimentary jewellery polishing cloth too, so you can polish up all your jewellery, and so you can put it in with your present. It's lovely. I think, goodness me, you get an awful lot for £13.99. I'm really pleased with that. For me, that is a real treat, and I really feel it's massive value for money, and I will definitely be buying some more jewellery from Clear Crystal. Very impressed. I know that at the moment they are actually having a 35% off, so go and have a look at their website. Just look up Clear Crystal and it'll come right up at the top of Google. My crackers worked out at just under £6 each, and I got so much in there. It was really, really lovely, and it was a real treat. Absolutely beautiful. Take care, Happy New Year, and I will be back in January with some more vlogs. Bye.